Hello, my name is Saba and I am the Education Marketing Coordinator for the Science Action Club at the California Academy of Sciences. I use the pronouns she and her, and I am on the Muwekma, Ohlone, and Rahmatush Native American land. Science Action Club activates a scientist in every curious kid. SAC activities include real-world STEM and nature challenges that inspire wonder and spark innovation. Today we'll be sharing an activity from our SAC labs, which are digital printable activity books that invite young naturalists to discover nature where they live. Stay tuned at the end for a discount code to get a SAC lab of your own. The activity we'll be doing today is called the Shrunken Expedition, and all you'll need for this activity are three things: a pen, some tape or string, and a blank sheet of paper to draw your map on. We want to start by making a path for our ant scientist to explore. I'm going to use this tape and make a path for my scientist to follow. Then I'm going to start at the beginning of the tape and draw a map on my paper that shows my path in detail so that my scientists can use it on their expedition. Remember, when you're a scientist that is the size of an ant, small things can look huge. Think about how your scientists will climb over or go around any rocks or water. Label on your map any areas where the scientists will need help and add instructions for how they can cross those obstacles. When you're done, look at your map. Does it have all of the information your scientists need? Great job, scientists! Thank you for joining me in the Shrunken Expedition and in thinking about what it might be like for a small ant scientist to be out in the real world. SAC Labs make it easy and fun to explore the natural world and make exciting discoveries anytime, anywhere. Thank you!